I built this. Isn't it sick? Actually, I downloaded it and I 3D printed it. Now you might be asking me, what the heck is this? Well, if you know Teslas, you know they don't have sunglass holders. And oh baby, has that just changed. The design allows it to fit any pair of sunglasses. You want to make it out of ASA, that way it is heat resistant and super durable because it's going to get real hot up there on the glass. Now this does work with sunshade covers. You can see mine are kind of peeled back a little bit because it does need room to come out, but that's no biggie because it looks just fine. If you guys want one of these but you don't have a 3D printer, let me know. All right, so I like the ones up here, but my idea is to put it back here so it's less noticeable. So I'm gonna try that real quick and get back to you.
Hey guys, so it's late at night, but I just wanted to show you how cool my car is overall. So first off, it's got these light up door handles, colors change, and watch when I open the door. Whoo, look at that. And then, okay, but that's not what this is about. So what we're gonna look at is these guys. Now I couldn't get the one back here to like fit. That's just because my headliner is way too close to the glass and it just wasn't budging, not at all. So we're just gonna use these ones. Now I have my glasses. All I do, check this out, even with the sunshade on top, all you do is you take the legs of your glasses, you can just slip them in right here. Boom, just like that. Wah, wah, wah. You can move these more towards the center if you don't want it touching the sun visor. So let me just scooch you over a little bit. That way it's not touching the sun visor. And same thing with this one actually. Boom, that one's scooched over a bit. So I have my Invisible Man Passenger Princess glasses, and we'll just take these and I'll show you. It's literally as easy as this. The little clip right here makes it super easy to slide the glasses in, even though it's super pressed up against the sunshade. No problem with it. Like watch, check this out. I'm gonna take them off and then literally just slide them back on. And then we got our two glasses up there. Wow, check that out. Ah, I love it. So easy to access. Sorry about the camera quality not being great. I'm preparing the car and everything for X Takeover. It's a huge tech car event and oh, it's gonna be sick. If you wanna see what that looks like, make sure to check out my Tesla FPV channel where I do all things like car, life, and more engineering, but mostly to do with the car. So unrelated, but sunglass thing was pretty cool.